Hey guys, this is Jared with Elite Real Estate Marketers, and today I'm going to show you how to modify your postcards. So right here under step 1, download your postcards. Here are all of our all the postcards that we've given you right here. So you've got the front files and you've got the back files. So these are done in Microsoft Word. We do this because Word is, most people know how to use Word, and if you don't know how to use Word, I'll be showing you in this video some quick little tips that will help you. You don't need to know a lot to modify these postcards to get them to work. Now you can look at every single postcard by just clicking this postcard preview right here, and it'll show you what the postcard looks like, so you can see which one you want to try. Now as far as best converting, now they all convert because we test these out. We don't just put up postcards on the website that don't work. So but the best one we've found so far is this first one, the find out front and back. You can see this is what it looks like. We found that it does actually get the best conversion so far. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to modify that particular postcard. So all you have to do to modify any postcard is click on the front and it will download the front, and same thing for the back. So we'll start out, go ahead and do the front. And let me open it up in Microsoft Word here and drag it over. And let's see, there we go. So there's what our postcard looks like by default. So you're obviously going to want to change a few things on this postcard because this is just a template. So find out what homes in, I put local area here, anything in parentheses you want to change out to your area. So if you were in Atlanta, we're going to just use Atlanta for this entire example. It will say Atlanta. Find out what homes in Atlanta are really selling for free. And you can also, these little red squiggly lines, you can modify those, make them shorter, longer, whatever you want to do. So find out what homes in Atlanta are really selling for free. That looks good. If you've ever wondered what homes in Atlanta are really selling for, here it is again, local area. So just change this out to where you're at. To find out what these homes in Atlanta sold for, text or call. This is your mobile real estate marketer phone number and your mobile real estate marketer code. If you haven't set that up yet, you can do that by going here to marketing software. I'm back on the membership site here. At the top it says marketing software. Just go over here and you can set up your mobile real estate marketer by logging in right here. This is the login link, and your username will populate here and your password is here. And once you get in, just click the mobile real estate marketer icon and you can log in and set up your code if you haven't done that yet. Alright, so let's get back. Here's Word. So this is your mobile real estate marketer phone number, and this is your code. Now the reason we do this and not an office phone or a cell phone is because if people think they can call, see, here's the key, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for an automatic message. See, if people think they're going to have to call and talk to someone live and all that, they're not going to do it. But if they can text a number, okay, and or call a number that's automatic, they're going to do that. And the cool thing about the mobile real estate marketer software is once they do call that number and they enter that code, you instantly grab their phone number. So what the software does, they call in, they enter that code, or they text in and enter that code. Our software captures their phone number so you can follow up with them immediately. So and then yourdomain.com. This is your lead capture site. So the lead capture site that works best for this is the home value. So you just log in to your lead capture site administration area right here, same place, log in, and you want to get your free house value right here, lead capture site. So it's this one here, and here's the link to your lead capture site. So go ahead and copy that, highlight it, and just click copy, and then go back to Microsoft Word and paste it right there. Okay, and if your link is really long like this and you want to change it out, you can buy a domain like Atlanta House Values and then have that domain forwarded to your lead capture website, or you can just use your lead capture website like this. Okay, so what you want to do after you get that in is just modify your little red lines so they underline it drag it down. It's just drag and drop, guys. And then resize, pull it out a little bit, and then yours free can come down a little bit. The arrow can come down a little bit like that. Make it look a little nicer. Okay, so by the now you're done, except here each icon in the picture above represents a recent home sales in, you want to make sure you change that, Atlanta. Okay, and everything else looks pretty good. Now I want to mention a few things. You'll notice on these postcard templates that they already have, this is the every door direct mail stamp, I guess you could call it. This is required to send every door direct mail, and it is in the perfect spot where it's at right now. So please don't modify this stamp at all. Don't resize it or move it. And also this down here where it says local postal customer, this is required for every door direct mail, and it is in the spot that it needs to be in. So please don't modify this at all either, okay? And then this is a solicitation notice. It just says your name of your company provides this postcard, not intended to solicit properties already listed for sale. So you want to fill out, replace your name with your actual name, and your company with your actual company, okay? And actually, you probably need to move this more like over here, because I'll tell you why. Any text or pictures that are close to the edge of this postcard will get cut off when you're printing it. So you want to make sure you have a nice white margin on the left, right, top, and bottom, so that when you go to have these postcards printed, or you know, however you want to do that, I'll show you that in the next video, but when you go to have them printed, nothing gets cut off, okay? So you type in your mobile real estate marketer phone number, your mobile real estate marketer code, your lead capture site address right here, and then a lot of people ask me, how did you get this screenshot of all these houses sold? Well, what I did is I just went to, I think it was Realtor.com, yeah. And I just typed in, I went to recently sold up here at the top, and I typed in my zip code. So office here is 32025. We'll go ahead and search for that under the recently sold category. And our internet's taking a few minutes. Just give it a second here. It's searching. Okay. So if you'll just click this, there's this little icon here that says show map right here. I'm just going to click this, and then wait a second, and there's the map, and then I can zoom in to a specific area that I'm wanting, and I can just take a screenshot of that. Now a lot of people say, well, how do you take a screenshot? You don't by default have any software on your computer to take a screenshot, but if you want to take a screenshot, there's this thing called Jing. It's what I use. It's techsmith.com/Jing. So just type in Jing in Google and you can find it, and this is free software that will allow you to take a picture. Okay, so you can use that to take a screenshot of this. So once you have your screenshot, you just go in here and you can click change picture. If you right click on this picture, click change picture right here, and then from a file, it's the first option, click browse and find your picture. Now I didn't download that picture or take a screenshot of it, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose just some random picture. But anyway, see what it does. It replaces that picture. So all you got to do is right click and click change picture and find the one you just took a screenshot of, and then insert it in there, and it will update it. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Now once you're done, this looks good. You know, you would obviously put in your real estate marketer phone number and code up here, but after you do that, your website's in, everything looks good. So you go to file, save as, browse, and then you just find wherever wherever you would like to save it. I'm going to put it on my desktop, so I'll know where it is. Desktop, and I'm just going to save this as find out front. Now here's where it's important, guys. You have to save this as a PDF file. If you don't save it as a PDF, the printing company will not accept it. It won't accept it as a Microsoft Word document. So you have to save it as a Microsoft or as a PDF document. It's just .pdf. It's right here. So click that and then click Save. And once you do that, you're done. And on my computer, it comes up with a little PDF viewer so I can see what it looks like. So it looks good. Now it's ready to send to the printing company. And basically, you just do the same thing for I showed you the front side of the postcard. You do the same thing for the back side and save it as a PDF as well. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Watch the next video for tips on or to learn how to get your postcards shipped for you and created for you relatively inexpensive. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.